Today we're going to be making a floral wall using one of our floral stencils, and I'm super excited about this look. It came out looking magical, so let's get right into that look. With a dense foam roller, you're just going to pick up some paint and then you're going to remove the excess. When I was doing this project, I realized it was a lot easier to kind of fill in the whole stencil with a solid color and then go in with the accent colors that you want to add to that flower. So that's just a little tip. And then after you reveal your first stencil, you're just going to go in and randomly placing these flowers and filling in whatever colors you want until the whole wall is complete. I just really love how dainty these little flowers are on this wall. I think it just turned out so great with the variety of colors, and you could either tone this down with some more muted colors or make it even brighter than this look and have some more vibrant colors, or whatever fits your style. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did creating it. It was literally so fun having this variety of flowers all over this wall, and I think it turned out so pretty. And we have a couple of different very similar stencils that just have some different flower patterns on our site, so I'm gonna link those down below. And you want to go to Stencil Me Pretty to look for some of your stencils for your future projects is www.stencilmepretty.com. If you want to see some of our recent projects, you can go to our Instagram at stencilmepretty. And this concludes today's video. I hope you guys loved it, and see you at the next one.